Hello, this is Kerim with TaxDome. In this video, I will show you how to add line items to invoices. From the invoice creation menu, you have this section where you can add line items and discounts. Line items represent the list of things that your client has to pay for. The main difference between them and regular services is that line items can but don't have to be based on an existing service. To give you an example of this, I will start typing the name of a service I created in the past. If there is a service with a name that includes what I wrote, I'll get to select that service. However, I can also type in a completely unique thing here for the line item, like in this case. I can modify the rate, quantity, and tick the tax checkbox if I need to include taxes. Being able to create unique line items is really useful for when you need to bill them for any extra expenses that occurred. Like, for example, paying for the client's taxi or anything else. Another thing that you can do is save the line item as a service or duplicate it here by clicking on the three dots on the right. Next up, you can also add discounts. If I click on the discount button, it will work the same way as the line items. I can either create one from scratch or choose a service. As you can see, it's for a negative amount, so it deducts it from the total. You can also add line items to your invoice templates so that when you use the template, all the items will populate and you can still edit them if necessary. After you send the invoice with the line entries, your client will be able to view them. And that's it for this guide about line items in invoices. Thanks for watching.